Hello guys, welcome to HelpChair. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can record your face and your phone screen at the same time. Yes, it's usually done, or it's commonly done with the laptop and the system and all of that, but you don't even need a laptop to do this at this time. You probably want to quickly do a tutorial video and you want to show your face at the same time as you're recording your screen and all of that on your mobile phone, just your smartphone or your Android phone and all of that. So let's quickly go into it. But before then, if you're just joining us for the first time on this channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you won't miss out on any of our posts. So straight into it, you go to the app called DU Screen Recorder right here. Tap on it, it opens up. This is what it looks like when you open it. Then there is this setting around here, so at the top right here, you can see when I'm tapping it, you click on it, then you scroll and look for camera. Yeah, it's usually around here. Now, here we go. So you tap on camera and it brings out the camera, so you drag it to wherever you want it and get yourself a good lighting and all of that. So this is what it looks like here around here and all of that. So I can keep doing whatever I'm doing and my face is showing. You want to drop it anywhere around, you can just swing your way around it and see what works best for you, and you can use that. Okay, so that will be all for today, guys. I'm gonna be dropping the link to download the app, DU Screen Recorder. I'll drop it in the description for this video because you can actually find it on Play Store due to some policies and all of that, but it is totally safe. Yeah, it is safe because that is what I use for most of my videos on my phone, and that's what I'm using for this one currently. Alright, so that'll be all for today, guys. I hope you've learned something new, and I hope to see you next week. Okay, so like I said, please kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notification so you don't miss out on any of our posts. Alright, so have a nice one. Bye.